In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a verification system here in Discord using Dyno bot. If this video does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Discord tutorials just like this. The first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually close out of Discord and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome, but you can use whatever you would like. Go ahead and type in dyno.gg just like so. And there's going to be this website that's going to pop up. Go ahead and select this add to server option here and then hit add to server again in this free for everyone section. It's going to take you to a page like this. It's going to ask you to authorize your account and select your server. Go ahead and select whatever server you would like and then hit continue. There's going to be this section here. You can just skip through it here. Go ahead and hit authorize. And then it's going to pop up with a section that looks something like this. Just go ahead and click next twice and then go ahead and hit done. And now what you're going to want to do is actually open up Discord again and go to your server here. And within your server, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is create a role who complete verification. To go ahead and do this, select your server name up at the top and select server settings. Find this role section under the people area. Click on this plus next to create role up at the very top and go ahead and name the role verified just like so. You can name it something else if you'd like. It doesn't necessarily matter. In this permissions section, just go ahead and make sure that you give it just the standard permissions. And then from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is place this up higher. Just make sure for your unverified members, you go ahead and adjust the permissions by editing the @everyone role right here and limiting as needed, just like so. And then make sure once you're done with everything, you hit save changes down at the bottom. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is create the channel for people to go ahead and verify. So click on this little name here again and select create channel and give your channel a name. In this case, we're going to go ahead and name ours verify here and then hit create channel. And then there's going to be this little gear icon. Go ahead and select that. Go to permissions within this section and then go to advanced permissions. And after getting into advanced permissions, go ahead and find this view channel option and select it and go ahead and just tick it on. Find this read message history option as well and tick it on. You're going to have to scroll down a little bit to find this one and then go ahead and save those changes. Now go ahead and go back to dyno.gg. Find this little sidebar over here and go ahead and navigate to modules and then find this little section for reaction roles. You're going to have to scroll down on this page as well. After opening up this section though, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find these setting options right here for these message settings. Go ahead and name this one verify and then choose your verification channel. For the message type here, go ahead and select plain message and then type in your verification instructions here. The base one is pretty good, so I usually just keep it like that. For these reaction settings, you can pick any emoji. I usually just do like a check mark. And then for the roles, go ahead and select verified and then save your changes down at the very bottom. Now when someone joins their server, they'll see that verified channel, they'll react with the emoji, and the Dyno is going to automatically assign them the verified role. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Make sure to check out some of the other videos on our channel for more Discord tutorials and have a great rest of your day. Peace.